At FBCA, the Early Learning Academy is devoted to providing 3- and 4-year-old students with an excellent Christian foundation in a safe and nurturing environment. Our teachers are loving, caring, experienced professionals who teach students to know and love the Lord through interactive Bible lessons, weekly chapel, energetic songs, and scripture memorization. Students are given various opportunities to discover their God-given potential and develop social skills such as self-control, kindness, sharing, and cooperation. The development of reading, writing, language, and math skills provides a strong foundation for kindergarten readiness. In addition, teachers foster a love of science and art through experiments and hands-on activities. Students participate in daily playground time and multi-sensory learning centers that focus on meeting the needs of different learning styles. For additional information, please contact our admissions office at 281-991-9191 or visit our website at www.fbcatx.org.